served like steak.
Yo, what up, guys? Let's go ahead and start the show.
New shoes, new shoes. Boy, Nike makes some good shoes.
What's up? Yo, we got confirmation. Yes, we have confirmation. But before we start anything, you already know what time it is. Save money. You know what I'm saying? Water bottle talk. Let's get it. Today, $15 inside the water bottle. Gotta save that money because we're gonna turn up at the end of the year. All praise to the Most High. Yes, today we're going to be talking about the 2018 Off-White Nike collaborations. Obviously, in 2017, the Nike Off-White collaboration was the most hyped collection of the year, taking away some of that shine from my man Yeezy. So, in last year's 10 collection, even though 10 didn't release, but we know about 10, my second favorite pair was the Vapor Max. Right, all black Vapor Max type. The things that I liked about the shoe was pretty much the tongue. It reminds me of an old school like hockey mask. I used to be a big fan of the movie The Mighty Ducks. So it kind of brings me back to my childhood days and everything, childhood memories. My first pair that was my favorite was the Air Presto. You know, I wish I could have got those Prestos, but you know, a lot of people didn't win, and I don't have the plug. These shoes were so hyped, so hyped. I mean, everybody was going crazy about it. We saw so many people take so many L's, so many people crying, so many people at work, you know, in the closet trying to win on the app and everything, especially how Nike played us. And then definitely being in Chicago, us having a Nike lab store with so many people like trying to reserve pairs on the app, it just like the market was like flooded. Everything just went down. You know, Chicago didn't even get their pairs. The pairs that they had here, you know, from a source, I was told that they just sent them back. You know, it was just crazy, man. It was just straight hectic. But we're not here to talk about last year, obviously. So let's get it. As you guys can remember, at the end of 2017, there were rumblings of 2 Vapor Max supposed to be releasing, right? So that seems to be a reality. The 2 pair that's going to be releasing, one is an all black upper, one is an all white upper. Both of them will have translucent soles. So if you ask me, the pair that I'm going to be trying to go for this year is going to be the all white upper. The reason being because it's such a clean silhouette, and plus it has that little bit of orange that's going to pop. You know, once again, that was one of my like favorite parts about this shoe. You got the orange right here, and again, the tongue. You know what I'm saying? Go Ducks. Even though I'm not a big fan of translucent soles, I really do like the Vapor Max silhouette. You know, I think it's going to be a great shoe. One thing that I will say for the people who didn't get a pair of the Vapor Max, because it has this, it's like a tongue that's like stitched on. You know how the tongue is? It has this part that's stitched on, this little black part right here. I would say go a half size up. You know, I'm pretty much a 9 in everything. I got these inside of a 9. I should have went like a 9.5. I also had a pair of the triple black Vapor Max before. When I tried those on, and those were a 9, the fit was a little bit more comfortable. And I'm thinking it's more so because of this. I guess I'll give you guys a more close-up look, just in case you've never seen a pair. You know, this right here, you know, that part right there, you know, it's stitched in, you know what I mean? So you can't really like adjust the tongue. So it is what it is. And it's kind of like you're just putting your foot in. It's kind of like a sock, you know what I'm saying? So I would go a half size up. The release date for the Vapor Max is pretty much unknown as of right now. So what I've heard was February 27th. So that's kind of like around All-Star Weekend. If so, All-Star Weekend is gonna be lit. Definitely trying to figure out like what's going on in LA. You know what I mean? Because that's what the All-Star game is. Hopefully Chicago gets some love because that's where I'm at. I wish my auntie was really into the sneaker game like I am, because I have her out there, baby, trying to hook a brother up. You feel me? Especially if the other Off-White sneakers are going to be dropping around that time too. So that's like the biggest rumor that I'm hearing. And man, I need a pair. Hopefully Chicago really does get some love since Virgil is from Chicago. The next collaboration that Virgil is going to be doing, he's going to be doing it with MoMA. And for those who don't know what MoMA is, it's the Museum of Modern Arts. This shoe is going to be an all-black, low-top Air Force One. Now, the shoe is clean, you know what I'm saying? People been wearing Air Force Ones for like a long time. That's a classic shoe. You know, in Chicago, they call them G-Fazos. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to my boy Q. Anyway, that shoe, yo, I rocks with it. You know what I'm saying? It got the silver Nike check. You know what I mean? It's kind of like a reflective material. You got the Nike Air on the sole, Also, you got that orange tag. It's a little bit different from the last pair. The tag that they're gonna be putting on it, something like this red tag, is not gonna be red anymore. The tags that they're putting on these shoes is gonna be like a sky blue. You know what I mean? So that's a different pop. I always wondered, do you guys think you should keep this on? Do you rock this with the tag, or do you just let that shit go? You know what I mean? Every time I wear it with the tag and I go somewhere, for people who are not in the shoe game, they always say, "Why you still got the tag on your shoes? You're afraid to take the tag off your shoes, like I'm tacky or something." So that kind of bothers me. But what do they know? I'm not taking the tag off, and I'm not gonna play myself. You dig? Boy. But it is cool that Nike and Virgil are gonna collaborate with MoMA. The last pair that we do know of that's gonna be coming out is the Jordan 1. Now, with the Jordan 1, in the beginning, when people were saying that those were coming out, a lot of people were saying that it wasn't real. That's what we all thought. Only because Virgil commented on the shoe that Hypebeast put up and put up "not authentic" with the quotation marks. So everybody thought it was going to be fake. But obviously we know it's real because they had him on at Fashion Week. Personally, not one of my favorite pair. If I had to choose between this one and I guess the Chicago colorway, I probably would go with the Chicago colorway. More or less because it got some more colors in it. Even though I like all white shoes, but like I said, if I had to get an all white pair from the Off-White collection, it would be the Vapor Max. It would be the Vapor Max because, like I said, that's one of my favorite pairs. And finally, the last pair that's supposed to be dropping is the Off-White Converse from last year. Yeah. Okay. So I'm real curious to see like what shoes are you guys gonna go for if you can get a pair, which is gonna be your favorite pair. I'm also curious to know, like, man, is he gonna do any more of the shoes? Will it be like another 10 collection? There's another rumor that they're gonna have this Carolina blue colorway that's gonna come out. Nah, I don't know if I believe in that. That's a real deep rumor. You know what I mean? And if it does come out, we know it's not gonna be coming out in February. But what I'm curious to know is, will they come up with another Presto? I guess I'm really hyped about the Presto because I want a pair, or maybe another pair of the Air Max 97s. I really don't care about no Vaporfly. But if he did every shoe again, would he bring those out? You know what I mean? That's what I'm curious of. Like pretty much everything was white. All the other pair are white. Would he like remix it and go black? If that happens, you know what I mean? I'm gonna hop all on that. Obviously, try to get me a pair of the Prestos. Maybe come up with a white pair of Prestos. Maybe a black pair of the Air Max 97s. You know what I mean? If they did that, that'd be dope. Just reversing the colorways. So tell me what you guys think. If you guys are gonna try to get a pair, let me know. Firstly, I definitely don't know how to get any pairs yet. But just know, when they come out, I'm all on top of that shit. You dig? So that pretty much wraps it up. I wish you guys the best of luck. I guess when Off-White season returns, you know what I mean? I hope everybody can get a pair that really wants a pair. And that's it. So follow me on Instagram, Snapchat. I'll put those links down in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment because all feedback is great feedback so that I can give you guys better content. Thanks for watching the show. Peace.
I can't see myself getting out the game no time soon.